Microwave ovens are a game changer in the kitchen. Imagine this. You can go from frozen to piping hot in just minutes. It all comes down to electromagnetic radiation, which excites water molecules in your food, generating heat. That's why leftovers taste just as good as when they were first made. But it's not just about reheating. You can steam veggies, make popcorn, or even bake a mug cake in under 5 minutes. And let's not forget about the convenience. No need to preheat an oven or babysit a stove. Just pop your dish in, set the timer, and you're free to tackle other tasks. Of course, there are some tips to keep in mind. Use microwave-safe containers, avoid metal, and cover your food to prevent splatters. So next time you're in a rush, remember the microwave oven is your trusty sidekick, turning meal prep into a breeze.